Hey guys, today's video is going to be another Poshmark Q&A. Before I start this Q&A, this might get annoying to you guys, but I gotta tell you guys. So I've started something new with my channel. I'm now offering channel memberships where you can get some really cool perks. So basically right now you pay $2.99 a month and, sorry, my kids are, you know what? No, I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. They're sick of being quarantined. I'm sick of being quarantined. A lot of people are sick of it. So anyway, one of the perks for my channel membership is we're gonna do live streams together, which is gonna be so much fun. I used to do live streams all the time back in the day and it was so much fun. So yeah, we're gonna start doing it. I think my first one is gonna be either next week or the week after. So if you wanna join my live stream, again, it's members only. I'll have a link down below with more info. All right, let's get on to these questions. First question is from Stephanie. I actually went to one of her Posh and Sips last weekend and it was great. So hi Stephanie. Okay, she says, first off, I love your videos. Thank you so much. Okay, I have 3 questions. Are there specific days, times you would do your live streams? I would love to join, but if it's during the weekday, I'll be at my school. Oh yeah, she's a principal, I think, which is so cool. I'm still there even though my students are not. Okay, so yeah, for the live streams, I'm gonna do them when it's convenient for everyone. It's most likely gonna be at night, and I will take into consideration like other time zones. I'm on the East Coast, so I will take into consideration like West Coast time as well. But yeah, it'll be a time that's convenient for everyone because that's only fair. All right, next question. When you are shopping, do you look for specific sizes? What sizes do you find sell quickly? So I don't really. I search by like style and brand, and then the size really doesn't matter. I don't like to buy a lot of like super small things because I feel like they just don't sell for me unless it's Victoria's Secret stuff. But yeah, like I don't like to buy a lot of small like jeans. Yeah, I don't really look for specific sizes. Again, I search by like brand and like style. And then, what was your other question? What sizes do you find sell quickly? In my closet, I sell small to like extra large. I think I have like 1 plus size. I have sold plus size before, but I don't typically sell a lot of plus size. I feel like, I don't know, like average sizes, like small through large, I would say. But that would be cool if you could look up items by like size. I'm sure I could look at my like sold report and sort it by that. That's actually really cool. That would be really cool info to find out. Okay, next question. Do you have any insight on which children's brands sell best? I look forward to your next video. Happy poshing, stay healthy. So kids brands, I've sold some kids stuff, but I don't sell a lot of kids stuff. I do actually have a kids closet, but that's I've kind of abandoned that. But in my kids closet, I sold, I mean, I can look right now and tell you, I can tell you what I've sold in my kids closet. I have sold North Face, Adidas, Oshkosh, Nike, Under Armour, Adidas again, Under Armour again, Nike, Hannah Anderson, Cat and Jack. So yeah, so those are, oh, LL Bean too. So yeah, those are the brands that I've sold in kids. I don't have a lot of experience selling kids stuff. I might soon though, because if baby number 5 is a boy, I'm gonna be selling a lot of girls' clothes, like a lot. But obviously if baby number 5 is a girl, she's already set. She's got a whole wardrobe for the first like 5 years of her life, like seriously. So yeah, I might be selling a lot of kids clothes soon, so I'll keep you guys posted on that. But those are the brands that I have sold. I don't really know like top kids brands. I can just tell you from my experience. Okay, next question. I have a pair of shorts I bought in a bundle. I was tie-dye. Wait, what? I have a pair of shorts I bought in a bundle. I was tie-dye. I know you bleach items, so I figured maybe you might be the best person to ask. If I tie-dye, obviously it alters from the brand, but how do I go about listing? So I think I get your question. So when I like tie-dye something, when I do like custom work on something, I still like include the brand name. Like for instance, I have like a Champion sweatshirt right now in my closet that I bleached. And I put in the listing, like, you know, it's a custom DIY bleach Champion sweatshirt. It's still Champion, but I let them know that it's not like an OEM, if you will. You know, it's not like original from the brand. So yeah, that's how I do it. I still list it under the brand because it is still the brand, but I do let them know that it's, you know, kind of custom. And again, that's not how the brand created the shirt, if that makes sense. Next question. If you sold out a bag, price listing around 50, you're earning when sold amount 40, which goes into your account, both or just the earning amount? Both or just the earning? Okay, okay, so if I sell something for $50, Poshmark takes a cut of that, which is 20%. 20% of $50 would be $40. So that would be my cut. That is what would go into my account, and then Poshmark would take the $10. That's what you're asking, right? You know, as long as you don't give them like a shipping discount or anything, because that comes out of your earnings as well. You know, if you just have something you sold for $50, no shipping discount, you will get $40 of that, and Poshmark will take their 20%, which is $10. Okay, next question. So I've had 4 family members use my code last week and made purchases and actually received their items, but I didn't get anything in return from Poshmark. Help. Is this $10 credit still valid? Okay, so I've had a bunch of you guys actually reach out to me like over the past year and tell me that, you know, you've used my code, or you've had other people use your code and you never got a credit from Poshmark. When that happens, definitely contact them. That's happened to me a few times, and they've been really, really good about contacting me back and then crediting the credit to my account. When that happens, just reach out to them, and usually, I mean, they might be slow getting back to you now because, you know, there's less people working, but typically they're really good at responding. And just make sure when you're giving out your code, it has to be somebody that is new to Poshmark, that is newly signing up. You can't, like, there's no way for someone to use your code that already has Poshmark, because it's literally like a field that you put in when you create your Poshmark account. So just make sure that's how they're doing it. But yeah, definitely reach out to Poshmark, because like I said, they were really good about that. They're able to look into it and see, you know, when the person created the account and if they use your code, and then they can credit you accordingly. So yeah, definitely reach out to them. Okay, let's do 2 more questions. Okay, why do people go through and like all of your items with no intent of purchasing? I mean, it could be for a number of reasons. Some people don't know what like means on Poshmark. They might think it's just like a nice thing to do, like, oh, I like your item, so I'm just gonna like it. Or they might want to like draw your attention to their closet. I know if somebody goes through and likes a bunch of my things, I'm like, hey, what is this person doing? And yeah, I might, you know, check out their closet, not really thinking I'm gonna buy something from them, but just checking it out and being like, what are they doing, you know? So yeah, so I think it could be like a number of reasons. Again, some people don't know what likes are for, and they might think it's just, you know, it's just a nice thing to do. Or they could be, you know, trying to get you to go to their closet and buy something from them. It could be a number of things. Last question, do you ever have seller's remorse? I sold a very sentimental jacket the other day and I can't stop thinking about it. Oh, okay, so, yeah, I mean, if I think back, there have been some things that I've sold where I've been like, I wish I didn't sell that because that was really cool. But I don't like think about it, you know, like I can think about it now. If I sit here and think about things that I sold that I wish I hadn't, like I can remember a few things. I don't think about like a specific item all the time, you know. Something that comes to mind is I sold a pair of Levi's the other day and they are too big for me. But then I was thinking like, Mom, I'm pregnant and my hips are gonna get a little bit bigger, you know, they might fit me in a couple months, but then I'm like, yeah, it's summertime. So something that actually does come to mind that I can say 100% I wish I didn't sell was a vintage LL Bean fleece jacket. I wore it in a couple videos and a lot of you guys are like, you're not selling that jacket, and I finally ended up selling it. And I really liked it. It was like, it was such an ugly print, but it was just so cool. So yeah, I miss that jacket. Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below, send me a DM on Instagram or on Twitter. If you are new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. You will get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.